Hey guys, so today is day 6. Today is day 10. The biggest difference I noticed about my skin, I wanted to come and update you guys. Now we're on day 30. All gone. Do I think it's worth splurging on? And I will definitely say, drum roll please. Hello my beautiful people. Okay, so I'm going on a journey and I'm excited to take you guys along with me. I'm gonna be using the SK-II PITERA Essence and I'm excited, but I'm skeptical. I've been eyeing this product for a while, like a minute, y'all, and I was like, does it work? I don't know. Okay, so the SK-II PITERA Essence, aka miracle water that can transform your skin. I am self-care queen, and if I can improve my skin in any way, shape, or form, sign me up. I don't hate my skin. I actually love my skin, but if I can make my skin better, why not? I do have dry skin, I do have some texture, and I also have some discoloration. So we're gonna see how my skin transforms throughout this journey. I'm so excited, and I'm excited to take you guys along with me. Okay, let's apply this baby. I want to show you guys how to apply it correctly. I am super nervous about the texture of this because it's super watery. It's super thin. It has a super thin consistency. Like, it's super watery, and I'm used to like a serum, you know what I mean? I'm like, this is like water. Is this gonna transform my skin? But we'll see. Okay, so you want to apply a penny size into your hand, which is double of what you see me applying. This was my first time using it and I was getting a feel of it. Then you want to pat it into your skin to help the product absorb quicker. So I want to tell you guys a little bit about the PITERA. It is made of a 90% PITERA, which is a naturally derived ingredient from a fermented process of a unique yeast strain. It also prevents the skin from dryness through its natural moisturizing factors. Also, it revitalizes our skin for a healthy skin turnover. It enhances our skin's natural function. Honestly, I was very skeptical about this product. I really didn't think this would work, so I was really stoked to try it, to see like if this one product can really transform my skin, and you guys will see that throughout the video. So hopefully by the end of this bottle, my skin is crystal clear, it is smooth, it is moisturized, it is looking bomb. Hey guys, so today is day 6. It's early in the morning. It's like 6:54 in the morning. I just washed my face. I didn't put anything on it. I have this pimple. It's still there, but I feel like it's going away quicker than what it usually would. I feel like the color is lighter too. It typically would be dark. Well, actually I didn't pop it, so maybe it wouldn't be dark. But I also feel like I had a lot of texture right here, and I still have a couple, like some right here. But I feel like it's way smoother. Like, my skin just feels super smooth. And I'm like, was my skin always this smooth? Or, yeah, I just feel like my skin is smoother. That's the only difference I see right now. Hey guys, so it's early and I'm checking in, and the first thing I did when I woke up and I looked in the mirror was like, I have to check in because my skin looks phenomenal. Like, I was in the mirror. Yo, I haven't put anything on my face. The only thing I did was wash my face this morning. And when I say I had a bump right here, the bump is gone. And usually there will be like a mark left on my face, but it's not there. It's gone. It's just not there. I feel like my skin is so much brighter, and I feel like my skin is so much smoother. It's way smoother. I still do have some texture, and I feel like I have the little milias on my face, but I am so happy with my skin. Today is like the first day where I'm like, okay, this works. Today is day 10. Day 10, and today is the first day where I'm like, okay, this works. I need it. I gotta have it. This is my skin. This is a natural lighting, no artificial light. But I feel like overall my skin just looks so much brighter. Like, I will continue to update you guys. I was just really excited and I had to come and show you guys what I'm working with right now. Update. So I will say I do have this huge blemish. It was worse. I just came back from England and the water did not like me. I don't know, something in the air just was not feeling me. And my skin was like, oh no, baby. But I'm back in the States and my skin is feeling better than ever. I feel like this blemish went away quicker than it normally would. So I think the PITERA Essence has something to do with that. The biggest difference I noticed about my skin, and I mean the biggest difference, my skin feels like a baby's bottom. My skin is extremely soft, like extremely soft. Like I am like, there's no way this is like how my skin feels. It feels so soft and smooth and like it's phenomenal. So I feel like this is the biggest difference I noticed in my skin. Yeah, so far I will say that that's like the biggest difference. From the last check-in, I would say that I feel like my skin is getting smoother, and I love that for me because I feel like smooth skin makes everything just look good. Like your skin looks good, your makeup applies more flawlessly. What else do I notice? I think that's the only thing I can say off the top of my head, other than everything else that I've said about my skin looking brighter. But yeah, this is my skin. Okay, you guys can see my skin right here. My skin looks so radiant. It's so smooth. It's so soft. It's giving hydrated without even trying. I also just got my wisdom tooth pulled, so that's why my cheek is swollen. But I wanted to come and update you guys nevertheless. But yes, my pimple is healing and everything looks awesome. Now we're on day 30. I have no complaints, 0 zip. My blemish is healing. My skin looks radiant. Everything looks so soft and smooth and feels smooth, and it looks pretty much even. I am just happy. Okay, so this is my SK-II. This is my PITERA, and it's all gone. And yeah, I want to tell you guys my thoughts, my true thoughts on this product. Do I think it worked? Do I think it's worth splurging on? And I will definitely say, drum roll please, I do think it's worth splurging on. I never knew I needed an essence in my skincare routine. I didn't know it was a thing. So I'm really excited that I actually got to try this product. The couple things that I noticed about my skin. The number one change in my skin is the softness. My skin, and I'm sure you guys have heard it throughout the whole entire video, my skin is baby soft. Like even throughout the journey, I would just touch my skin. I don't have anything on my face right now. Like it's literally dry. This is giving crusty, but I wanted to show you guys how it looks. My skin is so soft, so smooth. Like literally you guys, I would just wake up in the morning and I would touch my skin. My skin has never been so soft in my whole entire life. I mean, probably when I was a baby, but it is so smooth. Like I'm not exaggerating. I just wish you could touch my skin through the camera, but you can't. I also feel like my texture isn't there, and I think that comes with, you know, the smoothness. I had a lot of texture in the beginning, not too much, but you guys saw the texture that I had. I also will say it helped with my skin turnover quicker, and that's what the product said it would do. So that one I actually was like, okay, like my skin is working more efficiently and I like that. So like if I had a pimple, it would go away quicker, you know what I mean? Like it would just do what it has to do. Also, I feel like I don't have to try as hard. I felt like, you know, I do have an extensive skincare routine, but sometimes I would like, I don't know, like is my skin about to act up? And I feel like I don't have to try as hard or worry as much as I used to. So that I really enjoy, because you know, sometimes you just feel like, I don't know what's about to pop up today. But I do feel like my skin is more consistent now, where it's not I don't have as many breakouts as I used to have. I feel like my skin just has like, it's more radiant, more life. I feel like I have really dry skin. You guys have known this for years. If you've been watching me for years, you know I suffer from extreme dry skin, and I love any product that can help me with my skin and its dryness. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for tuning into my PITERA story. I love you guys so much. If you guys would like to try out the SK-II PITERA Essence, I will have a link in the description box down below. Let me know your thoughts. I'm excited for you guys to try this product out because maybe like me, you guys have never heard of an essence. I don't know if that's just me being late to the game, but yeah, I'm so excited for you guys to try it out. Bye guys. It's the skin for me. And this is my skin dry, by the way. Like, this is up close and personal with no moisturizer, no anything, like freshly washed.